Smart water level alarm circuit, preventing tank overflow. For implementing a simple water level alarm circuit, we used easily available general-purpose PNP transistor. When the water level is at the max level, the circuit generates a beep to provide a clear warning that the tank is nearing overflow. Install all the components on the breadboard as demonstrated in the diagram and follow the step-by-step instructions provided in the video. After installing all the components, follow the wiring instructions demonstrated in the video. The circuit utilizes 4 PNP transistors configured as switches to create a highly functional water level detection system. The first 3 transistors are responsible for indicating the presence of water at different levels within the tank, effectively monitoring low, mid, and high water levels. The 4th transistor, when triggered, activates a buzzer, delivering a warning signal that the tank is on the verge of becoming full. This intelligent setup ensures efficient water level monitoring and timely alerts to prevent overflow. Finally, connect all the water probes to the circuit as demonstrated in the video. Try to use colored wires for clarity. When probe 1 comes into contact with water, it triggers transistor to turn on. This activation causes LED 1 to illuminate, indicating that the water level is present at the low level. When probe 2 and probe 3 come into contact with water, they trigger transistor 2 and transistor 3 to turn on. This activation causes LED 2 and LED 3 to illuminate, indicating that the water level is at the mid and normal levels, respectively. Furthermore, when probe 4 comes in contact with water, it activates transistor T4, initiating a continuous beep. This audible alert signals that the tank is now full, providing a clear warning to prevent overflow. Join the electrifying journey at Hobby Electro Hub. Don't miss out on our exciting content. Like, subscribe, and share to stay tuned for the latest in the world of electronics and hobbies. Thank you for watching.